LogiMAT India 2025 brought together global and Indian leaders in intralogistics, automation, and supply chain technology, setting new benchmarks in the industry.
Well, India is one of the most important markets. We see also after these 3 days on the LogiMAT, there is a big potential for us here.
LogiMAT has definitely created a very vast ecosystem, including all the technology and non-tech people all together at one platform.
It's a fantastic platform for every part of the community that the logistics industry India has, right from the government, the regulators, the private sector industry, and people like me to come together and really talk about things that matter and how the sector will grow together as equal partners.
LogiMAT India continues to redefine the logistics and supply chain landscape. Be part of the next edition for more innovations and networking.